What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. It's an exciting day. It is pouring. We're gonna go to the thrift. We're gonna see what we can find. Looking forward to it today. I've got a good feeling. Hopefully that pans out. I don't know if you should really ever go on feelings, but I feel good today. Let's go see what we can find. Let's go lock in some profit. So the first thing I noticed while jumping into the thrift store was that it was super packed. There was a lot of people here, so we had to be very careful with our filming, and everything was really light. The clothing, the shoes especially, really light. Not a lot of inventory in here. And so I actually ended up having a conversation, a very good conversation in fact, with one of the employees. She was super kind, super helpful, and if I could nominate one person to get a raise, it would definitely be this young lady. But she said that they're extremely understaffed, as most people are, as most businesses are nowadays, extremely understaffed, and they simply don't have the manpower to put stuff out. She said that they have shoes and everything in the back, but they just don't have the manpower to be restocking stuff. She said that their normal operations right now currently are that they fill up baskets full of shoes and then just push the shoes in the basket onto the floor and let people rip through them. But they just don't have the manpower to even do that right now. So everything was really light. You can see here on the screen that even with like the sweaters, you know, that's coming into season very soon, which is why I'm looking at them and buying some of this stuff. But it was just really, really sparse. So going through everything, we did find a few pairs of shoes, which we'll go over in a little bit. But I thought for sure that the sweaters would be a good place to look because we're going into that season. Going through some of the jackets, there was just not a lot there. Typically, you see some good Columbia stuff. This was a really worn out batch of stuff. So either people have been picking through this, which is great for Goodwill, or they're just not able to put stuff out like the employee said. They did roll out a rack of new to the floor stuff. There was actually a couple racks out that we found one or two items on. There was a ton of LuLaRoe t-shirts, all at $4 a piece, which is way beyond what I'm going to pay for them. If I could get them as a bulk lot and pay $1 a piece and then sell them as a bulk lot, that might be something worth doing. But all of these are LuLaRoe t-shirts. There was one LuLaRoe hoodie in there, but I skipped on it because I am not a fan of that brand. Walking through the shirts, I found this crossbody bag. It's a women's crossbody bag that was just thrown up there on the top of the rack in the men's shirts, which is pretty cool. We did end up picking this item up. I'll share with you what the comps were on this toward the end of the video when I do the recap. Going through the shirts, there just was not a lot there. Some stuff that was there last week that I had seen and was not interested in. Typically, these racks are so packed that you can barely move the items. I did see a couple employees there that were pulling items to send out to the bins, which if you're not familiar, that's typically how Goodwill works. They'll pull all the old stuff, send it to the bins to sell for pennies on the dollar. This is me going through at 4x speed, checking all my items before I leave Goodwill. Always check your items before you cash out. All right, welcome back to the home office. Let's go over the things we picked up today. It was not great. I had a good feeling about it, and then I got there, and it just was not what I thought it would be. I got 3 pairs of shoes to show you. The first one is this pair of, this is unlisted, a Kenneth Cole product. So I just typed in unlisted Kenneth Cole, and these boots popped up. A really nice pair of brown kind of fall boots. They go for about $25 plus shipping. I got a pair of Heelys. These go for about 30 bucks. They have the wheels in them. I paid $3 for these. This pair of Clarks, kind of like an Oxford suede or nubuck leather kind of thing. We paid $5.50 for these. Now my strategy with shoes is basically, I don't want to spend a lot of time cleaning. I don't have a lot of time to spend cleaning shoes, and no one else does it for me. I haven't hired someone to do that. So I pick the cleanest shoes that I possibly can. I will clean really dirty shoes if there's a lot of profit, but I'm not doing in-depth cleaning on $25 pairs of shoes. It's just not worth it to me at this point. We paid about $6 per item averaged out over everything because we got several pairs of pants that will be worth it. So let's go over the clothing now and I'll show you what we got there. First thing we got is this pair of Tommy Bahama chino pants. Really good condition here. And they have a lot of embroidery. They're the Tommy Bahama Authentics. It's got a lot of Yeah, a lot of like special detail things in these. All of this stuff is getting listed today. As soon as I'm done making this video, this is all going to the photography station and going to get photographed and listed this afternoon. We've got this pair of Adriano Goldschmied or Goldschmied. I think that's how it's pronounced. This is the Graduate. These were going for $29 to $35 per pair. And I've never seen this brand, I've never sold it, but it's got a lot of like little detail things along the way. They're a pair of chino pants. Chino similar to khakis. Khaki is a color, but the style is chino. It's like not denim, but they're not slacks, kind of that in between. Then speaking of denim, we do have a pair of jeans here. This is a pair of Guess Ultra Slim McRae fit. This comps were all over the place with this. Some of them selling for $13, which I think are more of people's personal collection. They're just trying to offload. And then the higher priced McRae fits were higher in the like $39 range. I'm gonna go for $39. These have the little Guess triangle on the back pocket. Not sure that they're vintage, but it's the McRae fit. This kind of purple wine color. I'm fairly confident that these will sell for a good price. This is a Tommy Bahama jeans, long sleeve. It's kind of a thick t-shirt or a light sweater, but it's got a lot of cool little details and yeah, a lot of different textures to it. So pretty cool. I think we can get maybe 20 bucks on that. Plus shipping. Next, we've got a pair of Vigos or Vigos, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Vigoss women's jeans. This is the Venice boots, the Venice boot cut. So they rolled out a new rack of clothing to the floor. I hit it right away, and these are selling for about $35 plus shipping on eBay. Vigos or Vigos or Vigos. I don't know what the pronunciation is. Drop it down in the comments if you know. Just hammer out how you feel like it is pronounced. Thank you. As I was wandering around, I saw this bag that was just kind of sitting there and it caught my eye. This is a Sherpani bag. I paid $3.99 for it. It is a crossbody bag, and similar examples of the Sherpani crossbody bags were going for 20 bucks, I believe. So turning $4 into a $20 sale plus shipping makes sense to me. That's really what I'm looking for. Anytime I can get a $5 bill turned into $20 bill plus shipping, that is a good day. Next is an item I almost skipped on, and it is a Nautica Classic Fit Polo. I saw this, and this is the kind of polo you see all the time in the thrift. Paid $4 for it. I almost skipped out on this. However, I had a hunch to just search it out, and these are selling for $22 plus shipping. So going from $4 to 22 bucks plus shipping seems like a good deal to me. I'm gonna go ahead with that and make that move. Next, I'm really excited about this. Not sure how quickly these will sell because summer is coming to an end. Hopefully people continue to golf through the fall, but this is a pair of Izod golf pants. It's got these are really nice. It's got that rubber on the inside to hold the shirt tucked in. They're immaculate condition. Really cool, bold, loud pattern. Definitely looking forward to getting these listed and sold. The original price was $7.50 on these, but because we averaged down, we locked them in at $6. And then finally, the last pair that we got today was a pair of Levi's 514s. These are in green. I showed a pair on my little short video that I did yesterday where I had a pair of Levi's, green Levi's 505s or 501s. These are the 514s. The sold comps for these were really good at $29 to $35 plus shipping. So I'm happy to see that. Original price is $7.50 and we got them for $6 averaged down. That's it, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you like seeing videos about the thrift, what I'm buying in order to resell, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if this video was helpful to you or if you liked it, and then I'll see you on the next video.